Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where PCI Express root port error occurs on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, with this specific error, there is a very high chance that the culprit is the hardware itself, but still we will try to manage the drivers first before calling a hardware technician. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand this list and then expand system devices. Scroll down to PCI root port, right click and update all the drivers for the PCI root port. And then lastly, right click on it and select properties. Check if there is a power management tab. If yes, then we will change a few properties. Now in this case, there is no power management tab. But if there was, we would uncheck the option where it allows the hardware to turn off the device. Okay, let us check for this one. No, it does not have. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then please call a hardware technician. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.